Furlenco, a house of Kiraya brand, was established in 2011 with its core offering of flexibility and accessibility. Today, we are carrying out the same offering for our customer through freedom of accessing, where customer can access the furniture they want, freedom of choice. Customer can choose to access whichever furniture they want, and freedom to change, where customers can rent and return, and customer can buy and sell it back to us.
As we were growing, it became very important that we understand our customers better. We wanted a solution which was scalable, and we also wanted a one-stop solution so that you don't have to go different places to go ahead and fetch your customers' data. Zendesk provided us with a perfect solution.
One of the most important metrics for Furlenco as a company is subscription tenure. We try to understand different conversations that customers are having with us during their subscription. And we were looking for a backend support to help us understand this data and get deeper insights from these conversations to improve the subscription tenure.
So Zendesk definitely has a very good user interface. It is very easy for people to go ahead and dissect data the way they want to. On top of that, you get multiple brands. You can get to create multiple help centers. That as well is a very big plus.
Zendesk helped us understand the concerns of customers who are interacting with different brands.
On top of that, it also provides you with this 360 approach for a customer, which is very easy for an agent to get information on that customer and then help service the account better. There are a lot of benefits actually of using the Zendesk platform. A couple of them that I can quote are one, because there is this full circle awareness that your agents will have. Our productivity increased by 25%. And we saw a humongous increase in the CSAT. It increased in the tune of 40% or so. And we were able to successfully implement the help center, link a chatbot. After using the Zendesk platform, our repeated customer interactions reduced by 30%, which also means that we were able to solve queries in one touch. Our one-touch resolution stands at 82%, and nothing better for a customer if you're able to solve queries in one go.
Zendesk has allowed us to get deeper insights into our customer queries, which in turn has allowed us to preempt and avoid future escalations. These insights has also allowed us to launch newer services like Furniture Swap Program, Furlenco Care Program to avoid damage waiver, and giving flexible subscription tenure to our customers.
We would love to explore everything that Zendesk innovates. One thing in particular that is very exciting to us is to explore the conversational artificial intelligence. As we grow in our business, this is something that we would love to explore.
We understand our customers' lifestyle needs, and we know that these needs change over time. We want to be part of their journey to live better in their homes. We are going to use all the potential that Zendesk offers to make this possible. Zendesk is the best partner that can help us look at the larger integration for the future.